I'm up early, it's dark, and this is breakfast. Toaster waffle, chocolate chip for a treat, and coffee. And I mostly just like butter on my toaster waffles, sometimes even cream cheese. Don't knock it till you tried it. I'm going to get started on supper, and I found these baby back ribs in the freezer. You can see they're getting a little icy, but I'm sure they'll be fine. So I'm going to put them in the crock pot and slow cook them all day. And then right before we're ready to serve, we're going to put them on a sheet pan in the oven and put some barbecue sauce on them. I am going to do seasoning in the crock pot. The ribs are in the slow cooker, and I decided on some applewood rub. That should go great with any barbecue sauce we put on later. And I'm going to start them out on high, and I'll turn them on low here in a little bit. Here's what the ribs look like in the slow cooker when they're done. Now we're going to put them on the sheet pan and slather them with barbecue sauce. And here they are on the sheet pan. Divvied them up a little bit. They're fall apart tender, so we use tongs and a spatula to get them out of the slow cooker. And we use Sweet Baby Ray's and sugar-free kind. Now we're going to put them in the oven at 400 and keep a close eye because barbecue sauce burns. It usually takes 5 or 10 minutes. Barbecue rib dinner for supper time. It's like a steakhouse meal, very inexpensive. I'm glad I found these in the freezer and they needed used. And the baked potato was done in the air fryer like the surf and turf meal, I think in part 1. And we have leftover California vegetables for our side from last night. And there's Pappy's. And there's plenty more ribs. These ribs are from Sam's Club, so they were pretty inexpensive. And are you Sam's Club, Team Sam's Club, or Team Costco? Let me know in the comments. This morning I'm going to have some steel cut oats from the Whole Foods haul a while ago. I just made them in the microwave with some water. I'm going to put on the last of my milk and stir in some peanut butter first. Peanut butter oatmeal. If you don't like oatmeal, put some peanut butter in it. It changes everything. And then I'm just going to have some Swiss mocha. Looks good. And here's breakfast. Steel cut oats, peanut butter, a little bit of milk, Swiss mocha. Here are the ingredients for Pappy's lunch for the upcoming week, lunches. He's going to make some venison burgers with the addition of ground beef and pork sausage. And these seasonings. What you got there, Pappy? Oh, A1. Here's Pappy's burgers on the grill. He got 10. 2 weeks worth of burgers. While Pappy's out grilling his burgers, I'm gonna clean up the rest of this romaine and start these chicken nuggets for a chicken nugget salad for supper. And we'll add some cheese and other doodads to it. Just have some easy chicken here. Preheat the oven to 400 and bake in the center rack for 17 to 20 minutes. I picked out some of the larger pieces, and if we don't put it all on our salad, we'll just stick it in the fridge for a snack or something else. I also shook out a little of the frozen cheese so it can thaw while we're getting everything else ready. I put the rest of the cheese back in the freezer. I found some dressing, some olives, croutons, Pappy's favorite crispy fried onions and bacon pieces, and there's tons of tomatoes. Looks like a good supper salad. Pappy's burgers are done and they look delicious. Deciding whether to use these tomatoes or these little ones. These are shaped kind of funny and they probably won't do well for slicing. So, haven't had any of these. I'm gonna try these. Our chicken salads are all done. We have cheese, chicken, olives, tomatoes. Found a couple pickled beets in the fridge. Pappy has the same, French fried onions, bacon. Looks like a good supper. Getting ready to make a yummy weekend breakfast with things we found. We have breakfast sausage. I air fried a couple extra potatoes to make hash browns. We have eggs left. And we don't have onions for the hash browns, but can make do with this. This looks yummy. Caramelized onion butter. And bread and a little bit of butter left for toast. So let's cook breakfast. Sausage gravy over hash browns with eggs and toast. Yummy. Got our hash browns cut up. Frying up the sausage for the sausage gravy. For sausage gravy, we're also going to need milk and flour and seasonings. Found more evaporated milk to use. It's always handy to have in your pantry. Just need to sprinkle in some flour. Using about a 1/4 cup. I just need to pour in our reconstituted pantry milk. Stir. Let's see. We don't have any more, so this is it. Have it get thick. Brewing coffee. I'm going to use more caramel macchiato. And we have crisped up hash browns. I'm gonna make the eggs. We got eggs cooking. I heard the toast pop. Pappy doesn't like dippy eggs or over easy. He's a scrambled egg guy. And here is yummy breakfast. And Pappy's. And we want to thank you for joining us for this 2-week-long pantry challenge. And we will see you on our new adventures ahead.